Welcome back to Future Tech AI. Whether you're starting from scratch or have some technical background, this 9-month roadmap will guide you to becoming a successful AI engineer. With AI's transformative impact on every industry, now is the perfect time to dive in. Before diving into your learning journey, take time to research the AI education landscape. Unfortunately, scams are prevalent, so ensure you choose credible resources and mentors. Avoid overpriced courses with false promises and opt for reliable platforms like Coursera, edX, or Udacity. Platforms like Coursera and edX offer verified courses from top universities. Ensure you read reviews and verify the credibility of instructors before committing. Month 1 and Month 2. Start with the core principles of computer science, including data representation, networking basics, and introductory programming. These fundamentals are essential for understanding how AI processes data and executes tasks efficiently. Coursera offers a free computer science fundamentals course, providing a strong foundation in key areas like data representation and algorithms. Month 3 and Month 4. Python is the backbone of AI and machine learning. Dedicate these months to mastering Python syntax, data structures, and object-oriented programming. Python's simplicity and versatility make it ideal for AI, enabling rapid development and robust functionality. Use Coursera's Python for Everybody specialization, which offers structured learning and practical coding exercises. Don't just watch. Code along with the videos and solve real-world problems. Create a polished LinkedIn profile. Start connecting with professionals in the AI field, sharing your progress, and engaging with relevant content. Month 5. Data structures, algorithms, and advanced Python. Dive deeper into data structures like arrays, linked lists, and trees, along with algorithms such as sorting and searching. At the same time, advance your Python skills with topics like multi-threading and decorators. Mastery of these concepts is crucial for building efficient AI models and solving complex computational problems. Explore the data structures and algorithms specialization on Coursera. Pair this with Python's Advanced Features course to strengthen your programming capabilities. Engage on LinkedIn and join AI-focused Discord communities. Actively participate in discussions, ask questions, and share your insights to build a strong professional network. Month 6. Version control and SQL. Learn version control with Git and GitHub and SQL for managing databases. Version control is essential for collaboration, and SQL is crucial for querying databases. Enroll in the version control with Git course on Coursera and complement it with SQL for data science. Practice by working on projects that involve data collection, cleaning, and analysis. Month 7. Machine Learning Foundations. Begin with machine learning algorithms like regression and classification, focusing on building a strong foundation. Machine learning is the core technology behind AI applications, so it's essential to understand the basics before diving deeper. Use Coursera's Machine Learning by Andrew Ng. Focus on grasping the fundamental concepts through structured exercises. Apply your learning by engaging in Kaggle competitions and sharing your progress on LinkedIn to build your online presence. Month 8. Learn advanced machine learning and intro to deep learning. Move on to advanced machine learning topics and introduce yourself to deep learning concepts. Deep learning is crucial for handling complex tasks like image and speech recognition, making it a vital skill for AI engineers. Continue with the deep learning specialization on Coursera. Work on projects that involve real-world data, such as image classification or natural language processing. Develop an end-to-end project, such as an image classification model. Deploy the project on cloud platforms like AWS or Azure for hands-on experience. Month 9. Specialization and portfolio building. Choose a specialization track, either natural language processing or computer vision. Simultaneously, focus on building your portfolio and enhancing your online presence. Specialization in a specific area will set you apart in the job market. A well-documented portfolio demonstrates your skills and projects to potential employers. Enroll in an NLP or computer vision specialization on Coursera. Simultaneously, use GitHub to showcase your projects and create a portfolio website to attract recruiters. Regularly update your portfolio, contribute to open source projects, and maintain an active LinkedIn presence. Engage in relevant discussions and share your work to increase visibility. Tips for effective learning. Balance your learning by focusing more on implementing what you learn through projects and coding exercises. Collaborate with peers on platforms like Discord or LinkedIn. Group studies and discussions will help solidify your understanding and keep you motivated. Ongoing learning and professional development. The field of AI is constantly evolving. Continue learning through online courses, projects, and staying updated with the latest trends. Consider advanced certifications to stay competitive. Attend AI conferences, participate in webinars, and join AI-focused communities to keep up with industry developments and expand your professional network. Conclusion. This 9-month roadmap is your structured path to becoming a successful AI engineer. Stay committed, engage with your community, and showcase your skills to the world. Thank you for being part of the Future Tech AI community. We're excited to be on this journey with you. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.